Using call and response as an attention getter is commonly used in schools and after schools to get the group's attention without raising your voice. Begin by teaching 2 to 3 well-known calls and give participants a chance to practice them as well as debrief how call and response creates community. To keep young people engaged over time, integrate call and responses your youth create themselves.
We're going to be doing lots of things where we get up and we move and we work in groups, and it might get loud and it might get a little chaotic, which is sometimes fine. But I want a way that we can come back together, that I can get your attention really quick if I need a moment of focus. Oh my God, you guys saw that coming, huh? All right. If we're in the middle of a hustle and a bustle and we want to get each other's attention, what do? What's one?
Holla if you hear me. Say holla first, then we say holla if you hear me, then we say holla.
Okay, can you do it? Can you show me? Let's all make some chatter. You do it.
Holla if you hear me. Holla if you hear me.
Holla. Oh, cute. Okay, wait, let me try. Holla if you hear me. Holla if you hear me.
Holla.
Ooh, I like that one. What you got?
In 180 degrees, we have I go, and you say I go, and the rest of I go.
I'll go, Ame.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll say I'll go.
Ame.
I'll go.
Ame.
Wait, you're only supposed to say it once, right? Okay. So that's an African one. Did you know that?
Yeah.
And you're only supposed to say it once. So I say I'll go, and you say Ame, and then we get super silent. Okay. So why is it important to have call and responses? What happens if we don't have those? What happens? Eduardo. Enrique.
Everyone will be on task.
Everyone will be off task. Okay, yeah, it's possible that people get off task. What else?
We might not be on the same page.
We might not be on the same page. What else?
Everyone will go hyper into what they want.
Everyone will get hyper and start doing exactly what they want. Okay, what else?
It'll be loud.
It might be loud. And you know, I don't really want us to get into the place where we have to yell over each other. Because if we start yelling and screaming, that sometimes feels like we don't respect each other. Right? And sometimes we're yelling because we're angry, but sometimes you're just yelling because you're trying to get someone's attention. So we're going to use these symbols to get each other's attention.